sometimes get stuck at 0% when exporting designs due to browser issues, internet problems, or app glitches. Here's how you can fix it. First, you need to make sure that you have a strong Wi Fi and stable internet connection. Try switching to a different network or restarting your router. And also try clearing the browser cache. Tap on the three dots in the top right corner of your screen, tap on Settings, go to Privacy and Security, tap on Delete Browsing Data, select Cached Images and Files, and tap on Delete Data. But before that, you also need to go ahead and see the time range. Also, make sure that you update and switch browser. Make sure your browser is the latest version, and if the problem continues, try using a different browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, and try Canva app. If you're using Canva in browser, try using the desktop or mobile app instead and export your design from the app. Large designs with lots of elements or high quality images can get stuck. Try making the images smaller or lowering their resolution. You could also try exporting your designs in smaller parts. And some browser extensions like ad blockers or privacy tools sometimes can interfere with Canva. So try turning them off temporarily and export again. And sometimes simply restarting your computer or phone can fix temporary problems. So if you've tried everything and it's still not working, go ahead and contact the Canva support. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.